what's up? Also, my hair, ratchet. I need to get her done. Oof. Right now I'm gonna be doing a fitness video because I haven't done one in a while and I felt like we were due for one. So in today's video, I'm gonna be telling you guys how I lost 13% body fat. I pretty much lost half of my body fat percentage. I'm gonna share what I've been eating, my workout, and tips that have helped me so much with like body fat percentage and like getting my body fat down. You guys don't wanna miss out. I will leave all the time things in the description box if you wanna like skip to certain parts, I got you. Or if you just wanna watch this whole thing and hear me blab away, that's cool too. I feel like in the beginning, I thought that like the number on the scale mattered the most, which it doesn't at all. You can weigh the exact same, but look completely different. And that's because of body fat percentage, muscle mass. It's crazy. Before I start, a little disclaimer, I am not a fitness expert. I'm still learning. I'm just sharing what personally worked for me. It might not work for everyone. Everyone's bodies are different and they react to different things. So yeah. Also for this video, I'm not saying like this is what you should do or this is what you should look like. I'm only telling you guys what worked for me because I did not feel good about myself. And the whole point of like my fitness journey and stuff is I just did not feel good about myself and I didn't feel healthy. Now I do feel healthy and I feel like that's all that matters. All body shapes are beautiful and if you feel good, then that's all that matters. My trainer Noah actually does my like body fat percentage and my weight and stuff like twice a month. Let's start off with my starting body fat. I'm gonna insert that here.
You had 54 pounds of fat when you first started and now you're down to 32 pounds. So that's a total of 22 pounds of fat that you've lost.
It's crazy to think that I lost 22 pounds of fat. Like what? Because this is 1 pound of fat. So like, holy crap. My biggest goal is to lose body fat in the right way and to make it sustainable for my lifestyle. I'm not gonna cut out every single unhealthy thing in my diet. If I want a pizza, I wanna be able to have a pizza. I just feel like that's more realistic because if you completely cut out everything unhealthy in your diet, that doesn't sound fun at all and you wanna sustain this and make this realistic. So I'm gonna start off with food, working out, and then my overall tips. So I will have all of the like time parts in the description for you guys. Good morning, guys. Breakfast time. I'm gonna be completely honest, I don't like this part of the morning. Green juice time. I try to drink one of these every day. That's a lie. Twice a week. I don't know how people drink green juice. This is the green juice that I get. It has celery, cucumber, spinach, romaine, kale, lemon, and parsley in it. I just chug it. 3, 2, 1. This is everything that I'm gonna need for breakfast. I'm gonna make egg whites and put spinach in it, and then I'm gonna make myself a yogurt parfait. I eat the Light and Fit Greek yogurt, and this is in vanilla. It's low in sugar and high in protein, which I love. And then I'm just putting strawberries, blueberries, granola, chia seeds, and some honey in it. This is the granola I use, which is so bomb. It's in vanilla almond and it has 45% less sugar. So freaking good. And then I just top it off with a little bit of honey. I put a handful of baby spinach in there because spinach is really good for you. When you put it on the stove, it literally shrinks. So, you know, love that. Almost done. These are my eggs. I like to add some salsa. So this is the breakfast that I've been eating lately. I usually switch between this and oatmeal. I've been loving this combo, so let's eat. Also, I usually drink coffee with this, but I already had my coffee. So my order at Starbucks is either an iced skinny vanilla latte with almond milk, or I'll just get a triple shot espresso with 2 pumps of sugar-free vanilla and 1 Splenda in it. Right after I work out, I like to have a protein shake. I used to drink whey protein, but I switched to plant-based protein because it was making my digestion really weird and not fun. So I switched to these two. First, I like to take some almond milk. I put about that much in there. I am weird and I like to take 1 scoop of this, which is half a serving, 1 scoop of that one. Then I like to take half a scoop of this one. Voila. And then I just shake it up and drink it. Snack time. Also, I want to include, I used to literally only eat 2 to 3 times a day, and now I eat like 5 times a day. I feel like it's really important to do that because it keeps your metabolism going. Yeah. Oh, my hummus. What happened? Let me show you my snack. Oh my god, you can see me filming in the mirror. This is so weird. I always keep these next to my bed, and these are just whole natural almonds. I usually have like a handful of these, and then I grab a whole bunch of carrots, and then I dip it into some hummus, and I am obsessed with this hummus. It's so good. Scoop her up. Sometimes instead of carrots, I'll use pita chips. I could honestly eat this whole thing of almonds, but we're not gonna do that. I always have some type of salad with a protein. I'm lazy today and I just got a chicken taco salad. There's lettuce, chicken, and tomatoes, and then I just put, okay, not good. And then I just put salsa and a tiny bit of sour cream. Okay guys, so it is dinner time right now. Thank goodness, I'm so hungry. For dinner, I'm actually gonna be making a HelloFresh meal, which I literally love HelloFresh so much. It literally makes cooking way easier. If you guys don't know what HelloFresh is, it's America's #1 meal kit, which is amazing. It's really nice because they have seasonal recipes and pre-measured ingredients, which makes my life so much easier. And it's also like delivered right at your door, so all you have to do is cook it and enjoy, so I'm about that. Today, I'm gonna be making the zucchini and tomato flatbread. I'm so excited. I love flatbread, so let's make this. Okay guys, so I am all done. So this is the final product and it looks so good. I'm so excited. Let's try this. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Oh, this is my dinner for tonight. It changes like every single day. If you guys are interested in checking out HelloFresh or getting HelloFresh, it's actually now from $5.66 per serving, which is amazing. If you think about it, you probably spend way more when you go out to fast food places and all that. Like, say goodbye to all those endless grocery store trips and takeout food because HelloFresh, we love her. And also with HelloFresh, you can change your delivery date and food preferences, and you can skip a week whenever you need. HelloFresh has actually more 5-star recipes than any other meal kit, which is amazing. So you'll know it's gonna be delicious. So of course I want to hook you guys up. So you can get started with 8 free meals, which is basically $80 off your first month with HelloFresh. We love deals. So just go to HelloFresh.com. I will link it down below and it's gonna be on the screen. And you can use the promo code Krazyrayray80. Also, you can get $20 off your first 4 boxes. So we love that. So now I'm gonna finish eating dinner and we'll see what else I might eat. Yeah, that is what I usually eat every day. But that's what I usually eat on a regular day. Pretty much try to focus on eating nutrient-dense food. Okay, time for workout time. I used to do so much cardio and that's literally all I did. And yeah, it does help, but guys, I would do like 45 minutes on the Stairmaster, on the treadmill, like that's it. And I wouldn't like weight train and stuff, but weight training has completely changed my body so much. And that's when I saw the big results of like losing body fat and stuff. Like it was crazy. Once I started lifting weights with my trainer, that's when literally my body fat percentage like went down so much, and I was so shook because I was putting so much energy into cardio and all of that, and I thought that was the only way I was gonna lose body fat, which isn't the case. Lift some weights completely changed my body. Obviously cardio does help. I feel like high intensity interval training for losing body fat is amazing. Usually I'll go on the Stairmaster or the treadmill and jog on that or sprint, and then I'll switch to a slower pace for like a minute, and then I'll switch to like sprinting or jogging on there, and that has helped me so much. I pretty much work out 5 times a week and I give myself 2 rest days. I will link down below some workouts that I do with my trainer Noah. I have a video on that, so I will link it down below if you want to see that. Let me know down below if you guys want me to do more workout videos with my trainer Noah, because we would love to. I give myself 2 rest days because I want to give my body time to recover. Always push yourself, but make sure you give your body love because you only have one body, okay? Try to cut out alcohol. It is literally poison to your body and it's not good for you. Once in a while is totally fine, but if you're trying to lose body fat, it does not help. And I'm not like a big drinker. I probably drink like once every 2 months, to be honest. Like, I do not drink that much. Also, any sodas or sugary drinks, not very good. You guys have probably heard this a million times, but drink your water, okay? You're supposed to drink half of your body weight in ounces. So if you weigh 100 pounds, you're supposed to drink 50 ounces of water. So I literally drink so much water, it's insane. Make sure you're getting enough sleep, because if you don't get enough sleep, your body is gonna be stressed and super tired. So make sure you get a lot of sleep. I literally get like 8 hours of sleep. If I don't sleep, I'm a zombie and I have like no energy. Get sleep. Next is trying out intermittent fasting, which I'm not very good at. I can't even say it. I'm not really good at fasting, to be honest. I'm not a huge fan, but I know it's helped a lot of people with like losing body fat and stuff. You don't eat for 16 hours and then you can eat during the rest. My last tip is to take your vitamins. I take a multivitamin and a probiotic and fish oil every single day. I feel like a parent right now, like telling my kid to like take your vitamins, eat your greens, eat your veggies, like shut up. I know I'm forgetting a lot. Maybe I'll make like a part 2, but if you guys have any questions or tips down below, leave them and we can all read them and have fun. Also, comment below letting me know if you guys have any goals, just because I'm curious. I think that is everything. I'm definitely forgetting a lot. There's gonna be more in the future. Remember to love yourself and love your body. You got this. I love you guys so much. Have a wonderful day and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.